Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mari's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this beautiful look designed by another one of my Instagram followers. So starting off with clear jelly dips, we're going to apply a base coat to every single nail. After curing that, we're going to move on to the first nail. As you saw, the pinky and the thumb were both white and they had this beautiful Christmas tree design on them. So after curing that first coat, we're going to pick a black polish and we're going to start drawing the little tree. But first, of course, we're going to apply a velvet top coat or a matte top coat to help us draw with more ease. Then we're going to take our detailer brush, and as you can see I skipped through this first nail because it was kind of hard to keep my hand from being in front of the camera, but you will see how I designed the thumb in more detail. Yeah, this was a very interesting, a very fun design. I really love how creative this is. So here you can see exactly how I am creating the thumb. It's kind of like a swirl that goes back and forth like a ribbon. It's really cool. I really liked it. After drawing it, you're gonna go ahead and cure it. And then we're gonna move on to the next nail. Now for the ring finger, she chose a very beautiful fuchsia color, and I thought that this was close to the one she chose on her drawing. And this one definitely needed 2 coats, so we're going for a second one. And on top of that, we're gonna go in with this beautiful color called Muffin, and we're going to draw the little reindeer. The antlers are not really visible because it's a little far, but I will show you guys how it looks up close later on. And after you put those together, we're going to go ahead and add some white for the belly and little eyeballs for the reindeer. Then with the red polish, we're going to give our reindeer a red nose and call him Rudolph. And there he is, look at him, he's so cute, but he's missing his eyes. So we're going to give him those with a little bit of black polish on our detailer brush. And there he is, moving on to the next nail. Now this design was really fun, and I wanted to do it justice and make it a little more creative. So we're going ahead with 2 different tones of blue. As you will see, I am applying 2 coats of this polish and the next one I will use, because it was a bit opaque. Those kind of chrome polishes really do need a second coat. I really love this color combination, it's so beautiful. After curing that, we're going to use a clear powder that I'm using just for nail art, and we're going to put a little bit of snow onto the middle finger. This is just a simple clear acrylic powder, and here I'm going to do a little bit of a sweater nail design. I thought it would look cute with these ones. Adding little details, and then we're going back in with a clear powder and curing it. Then I'm going to choose the darker color that I used for this nail, and I'm going to add some more details, sort of like a stitch, onto the upper part of the nail. And once again, going in with some clear powder and curing that. Then we're going to move on to the pointer finger, which is such a fun design. I loved all the glitters, and I asked her if she did want glitter on this nail. So we're going in with a lot of glitter. So my favorite sequin gel. And we're going to be making some straight lines, or diagonal lines rather, across the nail. Then we're going to be making a little bit of a custom green color again. And filling it in between those lines. But I'm leaving a little bit of space above the green color just to add another glitter, which you will see right about now. Here it is. Isn't it beautiful? I think this color is called cinnamon, and it's so beautiful. It has kind of like a red undertone to the glitter, and it's really, really pretty. So adding some more lines here, curing that as well. And of course, don't forget the bling. We're taking a top coat and adding some little decorations onto the tree. Curing that and repeating the exact same step with the thumb. This is such a simple but so pretty design. I absolutely love it, and it's definitely beginner friendly, and I just love it. And then we're just going to be top coating the rest of the nails, curing those, and here we are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to make. Thank you so much for all of the submissions. I still have so many to go through. Stay tuned for another video next week. Have a great week. Merry Christmas to everyone. Like, subscribe. We'll see you guys soon. Happy holidays!